Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about SellerSprite. This is a platform for your success on Amazon, and in particular I will tell you about keyword mining, so stay tuned. And of course I place all the important information and links below this video, so check out the description box. So keyword mining provides sellers with a very important information on traffic driving keywords and the keywords that can bring you very good sales, that can bring you a success on your particular store. And of course you will know which keywords are in trend, which keywords are important to use, and how you can actually trace the history of that of this or that particular keyword or keyword phrase. So you go to your personal cabinet and you type in a keyword. So for example, I type in cat tree and I can see how many searches I have. Again, you can choose the country and you can choose how many days, and that's it. And of course, you can examine each phrase in particular. Before we start, I will mention that this platform has two types of mining, so keyword magnet and bulk mining. So let's go with the first one, keyword magnet, cat tree. So let's go. So after I typed in the phrase, you have a lot of filters. So of course you can choose the category, you can choose the relevance, you can choose ABA rank. So the data comes from the monthly keyword search frequency ranking of Amazon ABA data. So on and so forth. So there are a lot of different filters that you can choose from. So search now. Yes, and right here you have the results. As you can see, there are different columns and you can actually get all the important information about each column. But relevancy, this is actually this is the number that actually shows you the greatest value for you, and it shows me 100. You can also see top products of that key phrase and trend, the monthly search volume trend for this keyword in the past 2-3 years, and you can actually trace this, which is a very good column. Then monthly searches refers to the monthly search volume in a month, such as the total number of searches for this keyword on Amazon in June 2023. Purchase rate, this is the purchase volume and search volume, proportion of the number of products purchases to the total number of times the buyer enters the search term after the buyer enters the search term and clicks on any product on this segment. CPR, SellerSprite product rank, the 8-day estimated order volume that can keep the keyword ranking on the first page of search results. In my case, this is 3,126. Title density, the number of products whose title contains that keyword in the products on page 1. Supply and demand ratio, the total number of advertising products, click concentration, the total proportion of clicks on the top 3 ASINs for particular keyword, and Amazon advertising is based on bid price and how much it's gonna cost. And median of the top 3 ASINs clicked on keywords in Amazon search results. Click on the number to view and get more information, of course. And here you can search trend graph to search some history. And of course you can have some actions. You can choose some keywords and you can compare them. First of all, you can compare them, or you can create your own keyword list, and that's how you keep in certain way your keywords. Yes, add to my list, you create the folder and you create the label, and that's it. you are done. Or you can actually delete and you will never have them in your search result. And let's go to another one, which is bulk mining. Let's go with that as well. Oh, bulk mining. Let me again type in cat tree. Cat tree, and I see over 1 million results. But you can put up 200 keywords here to explore, and then I click search history, but I will click search. So you can see top 10 products, and you can actually see what exactly from 10 products they advertise and what they sell. After this, you have the category and subcategory, and you can see in what category this product and this keyword is used. Then you can see the trends, very similar to the previous search. Then you have relevancy. Relevancy as the number approach 100, it means that particular keyword is more relevant what we search. Okay, after that, there is SPR. Unite product need to be sold to get first page rank between the first and the 8th position. Products, number of products use this particular keyword on their listings. Click concentration. You can see click concentration on keyword, and when you bring your mouse over the percentage, the number under shows the 3 most clicked product and their click concentration. Market analysis. It reveals the listing median price, total number of ratings, and consumer median rating of the products, ranking within the top 10 of a search using the particular keyword, and a lot of other things. And of course, you can export the search to your computer, for example. That's it for today. I try to show you in very quick way how you can actually mine keywords and how you can help your business to be more effective and to get the best sales on the market and get the best and the most targeted audience that you can ever find. I wish you good luck, take care, and we'll be back with a new video. Bye bye.